Today we're decommissioning this pond for a customer, but we've got a bit of a problem. The pond we're moving these fish to is a bit of a downgrade. It's like moving from a fish palace to a shack. These fish aren't going to be happy. I also just about electrocuted myself on a bad pump. It rained literally all day, and to top things off, my customer's daughter asked me the most bizarre question I think I've ever heard in my entire life. It's going to be a long day. Let's get to it. Just arrived at the customer's house. Let's go and take a look. This pond won't be a pond after today. Customer doesn't want any more. They have problems with the electrics, other issues, and they inherited this pond last year and they decided they don't want it anymore, so we're going to get rid of it. And also there's 4 lucky fish in there. They're going to a new home. I haven't seen the new home yet, but I've been told it's just across the road, and they're going there after this. So today's job, we're going to drain everything out, catch the fish, put them into a little holding tank, get all the rubbish out and cut the liner out. I'm just going to basically leave the customer with a hole. So this is a service we call decommissioning. It's a lot cheaper than actually filling it. We're just going to get rid of the pond. There'll be a hole left over, and then obviously they may want to turn this into a planter or something in the future, but it's a lot cheaper than having it filled in. Quite nice this time of year. A lot of the ponds we go to, the water's usually pretty clear, even if there's no filter or anything running. So we'll chuck the GoPro in and see what we can find. Ground's so wet. There she is, trying to hide away. Right, George, what are we doing today? Explain the job.
Decommission.
Decommission? What's the plan?
Get the water out.
Yep.
Catch the fish.
Okay.
Cut the liner out.
Yep.
Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle. What's that?
Oh, it's...
Is that a root?
Yeah, but it's coming all from under here.
Yeah, that's not an aquatic like plant.
No. They don't last like they used to. Did you get an electric shock? You okay?
Yep.
Does that hurt?
No. Pump just exploded. Great. All right, we'll have to vac out the rest. Oh, there's a shallow side to this pond, and there's one of the fish just over there. 2 fish. We'll get them out. Look at all those leaves. 1, 2. It's raining again. Reporting back. Just been next door to have a look at the fish's new pond. I don't think they're going to be very happy, but I suppose it's better than not having somewhere to go. Okay, we've probably got enough water out. We're going to get in, take all the leaves and old plants and everything out, and then cut the liner out. Lining's coming out. This stuff's really gone crinkly. Just rips out. But they put loads of underlay in. Most of the ones we come across don't have enough. This one's got layers and layers, so we'll get that out now, and then the water will just soak away down in the ground. Right, get this, how bizarre. I think that's the right word to use. So as we were coming in, obviously the person who owns the house has asked us to take the pond out, get rid of the liner, obviously decommission it. The neighbour's daughter, she came up to me and she said, oh, how much would it be to put a new lining in? What? It's just bizarre. I think there might be a domestic going on later. So I think it's out of order really, because the lady who lives here, it's her house. She can't keep it. And yeah, that was just bizarre. Really bizarre. I think this is what happens. I don't know, if you're a tradesman or whatever and you work at people's houses, every now and then silly things happen, and that was just one of them. As you can see, most of the lining's out. I'm just going to go around with a knife, the blunt knife, trim off all the edges a bit better, and then we'll show you the fish's new home. Like I said, I think the fish would prefer staying here. Just saying. Also caught some frogs. Looks like they're getting ready to do their business, so they're going to go with the fish. So there we go. That's the pond decommissioned. Next on the agenda, take these guys to their new home. Normally I'd bag them up if we had to drive somewhere far, but we just pop them in a bucket because it's literally over the road. And in hindsight, normally if we do a decommission, there's fish in there. I've got loads of customers with like big natural ponds and things like that. Well, not natural, but big wildlife ponds, and they take a lot of fish for us, so would have preferred these guys to go there, but anyway. Alright, fish are there, frogs are there, let's go. Fish, frogs in the new home. That's the end of that. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do the hype thing as well. That's really helping. And I've got loads more to come. Thanks for watching.